Introducing the Saramonic DK3 series lavalier microphones. The DK3 premium lavalier is tailored for dialogue, delivering a full frequency response, superior sound quality, and giving you increased vocal intelligibility. The omnidirectional polar pattern provides 360 degrees of sound pickup, ideal for natural sounding dialogue. I highly recommend using a gimbal to help get steady shots. Here we have the Benro 3XS. It's lightweight, compact, and extremely easy to use. They not only sound amazing, but are also easily concealed. At only 4 millimeters, you can easily hide them under clothing, in hair, or behind props, replacing bulky lavaliers with a more professional and discreet lavalier. They are built with high-quality components, cabling, and gold-plated connectors that deliver increased sonic performance, making them an ideal upgrade to your existing wireless system or as a high-quality replacement for a damaged or lost lavalier. It's available in 6 connectors, compatible with industry-standard transmitters, recorders, and more. So balancing your gimbal is a very important part of getting a steady shot. The first thing we want to make sure is that our phone is positioned correctly. Everything you need is included in this unmatched accessory suite. An alligator-style mic clip, fitted metal windscreen, 2 fitted foam windscreens, 2 high-wind furry windscreens, a cable wrap, and a rugged protective case with carabiner clip. The DK3 series lavaliers are truly premium professional microphones, all for a remarkable price. This whole video was recorded using the DK3 microphone. The Saramonic DK3 4mm professional lavalier microphone series.